the transfer function y of s by r of s of the system is shown. The block diagram is given. We need to find out the transfer function. So as usual, y of s divided by r of s is equal to forward path gain divided by feedback gain value. For this question, one forward path. The path gain is equal to just 1 divided by s plus 1. So the numerator value 1 divided by s plus 1. Then whole divided by 1, and the feedback value based on the first summing point, we have a two feedback. The first one, this path, state, and this one. For here, this location is positive and here negative. So the final feedback is negative feedback. So the gain value is just this one, and it is a positive because negative feedback. So here positive, and 1 divided by s plus 1. Second feedback is this one. But here this location is negative and here also negative. So the actual feedback is positive feedback. Positive feedback means this location is negative sign and the gain value is just 1 divided by s plus 1. So these two values cancel and 1 divided by s plus 1 is the final answer. Thank you.